first news is from Apple, second generation SE. The second news is the launch of OnePlus 8 series smartphones on 8th May, 40,000 rupees. Or the third news is in a drastic descent in the graph of smartphone sales. So hello friends, welcome back to IR Tech and it's me Irfan. We have started up with a series called Latest Tech Study in one of our videos. This is the part 2 of. So friends, the first news is from Apple, the launch of the second generation SE. So this is the first approach to a medium range or average category of smartphone. Like it's coming in a pricing over 40,000 rupees in Indian currency, and it's giving amazing features to it. It's coming with the body of iPhone 8 series, and it's giving features of iPhone 11. Like it's in the body of iPhone 8 and has a Bionic 13 chip, and it's having a small screen, but it's very good. Like 4.7-inch screen. It's a very compact phone. Doesn't come with any kind of only Face ID recognition. Comes with normal fingerprint. As on iPhone 8, like it's a middle-range smartphone from a company called Apple, which they have never tried before, and they are coming to the market of the middle range. And to the second news is the launch of OnePlus 8 series smartphones. The launch on 8th May. Yeah, the 8 series on 8th May. It's amazing. It's coming in a pricing from 40,000 rupees above. The 8 and 8 Pro with glacier green color. The 8 Pro has come with an amazing features. Now the company is moving from a budget or normal range category to a high-end level. The OnePlus 8 has been released to be competitive with the iPhone 11 and the 8 Pro to be competitive with Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Although it's not having much features, it's competing against S20 Ultra. The main differences are the main camera of S20 Ultra is coming at a 108 megapixel while this is only having 48 megapixel. And the pricing. The S20 Ultra is going for around $1,400 and this is going for like $899 or $799, kind of that. Comes with a range of 8GB, 128GB and 12GB 256. Guys, the next one or the third news is related with coronavirus. Because of this virus, there have been a drastic descent in the graph of smartphone sales. Like a lot of things are gonna be going down this way, like the sales, the pricing, and a lot of company has reduced or stopped the production of their smartphones in order to stay in a balanceable mode, in a balancing stage, or else they should have to shut down the company. The fourth news is related to aviation. The aviation industry has gone down 70%. A lot of flights, even American Airlines, 90% of their salary or 90% income has been reduced. Like that's a very big change for such a huge company. Last but not least, the fifth tip or the fifth news is related to our channel. Once I checked my YouTube studio, I could get a lot of analytics, and I was seeing that 52% of you guys who are watching has not subscribed. Just go hit the subscribe button. It's so easy and it's there, close to you. And another thing which I have to say is, if you doesn't like this kind of video, you should comment it so I could stop making such a video. Or most of them may be feeling, yeah, this news have been coming out early since. So my duty is just to inform those to my media. So friends, if you like the video, please the like button subscribe, like, share and subscribe.